Be Monica Lobo no boy. Why I'll go put my number for that kind of thing now?
But your number is Facebook.
Yeah, they put my number there, good and fine. Now it make me they can't know say. So this quarantine time where they say me everybody stay and na so woman na they look for up and down they go.
No, for me, I just say so. I just maybe you are selling something like medicine, all this kind of thing. Or I see you right.
Say
like something for life. You are selling something for life.
I'm selling what?
I just say you are selling something for life.
Like what? What do you want to buy?
I don't know because I see something for Facebook.
Like what? What do you want to buy? Italian boys. They say make everybody stay inside. They can't just tell Italian boys say na so women they go just the toast from morning till night. If you not get what you go do with yourself, my brother, that house where you rent, so look the backyard, maybe the grass go don't grow. This staying at some time is the time to clear your grass from backyard and from your front house. If you not get that one, go they wash under of your shoe. Or iron your clothes. There must be something you are doing. Or go they look Monica old video. May it give you sense. Then you go learn. How are you, baby? And when they toasting your view while you walk waba. Huh? Unyi mi Italy o keko agbe me. No, they see another. Where do you put your number on Facebook? Now only on be country where only on be made where they this Europe. Why other country no they call? May you see friend number from France calling. May you see number from Netherlands calling fine woman. May you see number from UK calling fine woman. No, if you are busy, only Italy people. 30 people fit call it, all of them na Italy number. Hello baby. Wa mi an ye unde. Me mo understand them in your pano revo ni It's not good though. It's not just nana. They can say, you Italy hello. But the truth of the matter, now they're good, bad, and ugly day. I will more than they talk to them about myself also. It's too much. I can 30 men call in a day. Na Italy men, all of them be. And yet they'll say, when I see your number somewhere, are you guys the only men that see that number? Why UK men not they call? Why other country not they call? Why is it only Italy people? And the pity for all these women where they look for men for social media. If na allow Italy men they call now like this, una enemy life go just bend. Cause all this one, they not be human being. Imagine if you shade something, say na advertisement, it's supposed to be calling all over the world with different type of men. You will never receive phone call from America. Say, hello, I saw your number somewhere. No. Because they are responsible. They know that this is not a responsible woman telephone. They put useless a woman there, naked woman. They put my telephone. So you really want to come and friend this naked woman? That show how ridiculous, useless that you are. Because it's only a useless man that will see that the woman where one friend don't already naked, put himself for social media, say, I'm looking for someone to come and do me. And you go really carry telephone number. You go come call the person. Hello, baby. This is a sign that many either boys in Italy, they are useless. So if you allow them to toast you, now you know. Me and they post their number. I think I'm going to do that because it's ridiculous. The reason why they vex me now, I wish Nigeria go call, America go call, Canada go call. You go really know. So now so may come useless. Why it be say na only Italy men they call for woman where they put for social media where they naked? How can you call for a woman where already naked at toto for social media? Say call me, and you go really call. You say you not responsible. Italy young boy, me una go bath. This one not be ordinary thing for una. It's a sign of how you guys are going to be useless. That's how you guys keep producing useless bunch of single children. I be that no, but they put on for this. Only Italy people more than they call, huh? Why not they give chance to other men to call? Only una just call from morning till night. Iye when you over, you are when you are here, you are with a baby now. Una go surprise. Before I go receive better person call finish. Now so useless more than 20. Nah. All are from Italy. It's not good, Italy people, eh? It's not good. No, na bath. Italy, idare boys. If na so, all these old papi we first did they do, you can see their results. That's why their wife go do a shower go reach 30 years there. Because man, we already told woman we be a shower, the naked person. And they even write on top of it. I'm too horny, I'm naked, come and do me. And you really carry fun, you will call that kind of woman. It's sign of uselessness, total irresponsible man that you are. Otherwise, who does that? Which normal, responsible man go see woman when naked say, I am horny, come and call me. And you are really calling. And you have the guts to even say, but I saw your number. You sell a number on top of prostitute and you really call. And you know a dog, you are even worse than useless. Eh? Not be say you see a responsible, beautiful picture. Now it make you the call. You see a naked picture, you will still call to come and friend that kind of person. Why? Maybe me a generation oh why very another. Ezenio wa munyaria. Ezenio munyaria be. Iyan ibuno lezeni. Osalobo amana quick wolokun ni yana deliver iyan. Ereri yen magba iyan me sense. See another one. Ni na jiyan gbo kekeke ya hoe. Hello? Hello?
Hello, my property.
Who is this?
Hello.
Hello?
Friend.
You are a friend.
Hello. My friend, you know.
Okay. What do you want?
Nothing, I just want to be a good friend to you. Okay?
You just want to be a friend to me. Where do you live?
Friend to you now.
Okay, no problem. Where are you? Where do you live?
So I live in France.
You live in France.
Yeah.
And that place you live in France, you don't have any friend there.
No. Apart from that, I'm not.
How many years are you in Europe now? How many years you there Europe now?
How many years are there?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, why not the year? When me I off television. Why please? How many years you there for Europe now?
Okay, I started in Euro since 2016.
2016. That's 4 years ago. You get paper?
I'm not really that.
You get paper?
I said no.
You not get paper. You dey work? You get okay. You get girlfriend?
Not like girlfriend. Before I go out, before I even want you to be my friend, I'm not like girlfriend or
Why am I not hearing you? I don't like men that don't talk out. I don't like men that talk like women. Just talk, bang, bang, bang.
Okay.
Ah, you are talking me. I don't.
I said no. Okay.
Oh, you don't
Now
have
you hear me.
you don't have girlfriend. What tribe are you? What tribe are you?
I'm part of Benin Adeta.
You are Benin Adeta. How old are you?
That was just me.
Yes.
Okay, well, I'm still a small guy. I'm just 29 years old.
You are 29 years and me I'm 49 years. Can you cope?
I can cope with there is understanding.
Really?
You know that any
So you have
relationship is
you have children already?
No.
Because me I'm in my menopause. I cannot have baby anymore. So can you cope?
Why not? I can cope.
But
There is understanding.
you will not have baby in your life or any man that come, no baby. Because me, I am in my menopause. I don't want baby again. And you are 29 years old and you don't have any child. So can you cope that in your life you will never have a child?
In my life, guys, I will never have a child.
Eh nah, because I'm 49 years old.
No, now we have a child.
Eh?
Okay, you are trying to let me know now that.
Yes. Because me, I don't like 419 love. Me, I want to tell you my own. So you tell me, nothing goes for nothing. I know that you want something from me too. That's why you want a big woman for 49 years old, for 29 years boy. So what do you want from me? You want money or you want documents? What do you want from me?
No, I can't say anymore yet now. But actually, I just want to be there for you. Actually,
Me,
you will not be to regret it.
that's what I'm saying. Okay. I don't want any baby. When you be with me, I don't want any baby to be making yan.
No, apart from that. That's not what I'm trying to say.
Okay, so what do you want from me? You want my money or you want my documents? What do you want?
No, I don't want anything from you. I just want to know you first. I just want to be close to you.
Where is your father and mother?
My dad and my mother in Nigeria.
Will they allow you to go with a woman? Will they allow you to go with a woman with 49 years?
I'm not big enough to control myself.
So you can tell them that you are in love with a woman of 49 years and they will not say anything.
I swear that through the relationship, there's nothing too strong for me in the relationship. So it's okay then.
Okay, for me, I want you to send me your mother's number. I have to call her first to confirm because I don't trust Nigeria people. They are 419. So if you really know that, I will buy you tickets. That is not a problem. Money is not a problem. I work in a big company. That's not a problem. But I don't want Nigeria small boys to come and chop my money and run away. So I need your mother telephone number. I will call and I will ask if she will allow me to be a sister-in-law, a daughter-in-law.
There's no problem about that.
No problem. Okay.
What I need from you is, okay, I just want us to be a good friend for us.
No, me, I don't have time to wash you. No, you look at my age. I'm already old. Wow, can't they wash you? I don't have time to wash you. As you say, I love you. For me, it's good. But I just need your mother telephone number to call your mother that you want to go out with 49 years old woman. I know you need documents. Say the truth. I will give you document. Don't worry. And I will give you money also. You send to Africa to go build your house. Okay? Which part of Benin are you from? Because I don't be to Benin now for 10 times. I've been with Aunshi guy.
Which tribe are you?
Me? I am half Jamaica and my mother come from Benin. Long time ago, but I've not been to Benin. But I used to friend Aunshi guy. I went to Aunshi. I used to friend the Ekpoma guy. I used to friend the Uromi. I used to friend the Benin boy from Oselu. I friend from Ego. I friend a lot of Nigeria boy, even Yoruba and Igbo. And the Benin boys, they always run away with my money. Now I have to call their mother. But because the last one, the mother say you didn't call me. So you must give me your mother number so that I can tell your mother that I want to friend you. So that tomorrow your mother will not tell me you didn't call me first. You want to give me your mother number? I call her right away. Now as we are here.
No, it's too hard for that now.
Okay. Meaning you want to chop my money like the last guy. Okay? I have sense now, If you think that I don't have sense, you are lying. I know a lot of Benin boys, they like to chop money. You want to tell me I'm too much in a rush. No, this is how I do my love. Rush.
No, excuse me.
If you love me, you will give me anything I ask. Me, I did not ask you money. I said I'm going to give you money. But I need your mother to take permission that I want to play with his baby. You understand? Because like you are like baby to your mother. So I have to tell your mother like that me, I want to play with his baby. If I'm allowed to play with his baby. Okay? You give me your mother number or not?
Don't worry. That will not be
Okay, another condition is that me, I don't want to start friending you now and another girl will start calling me, hey, this woman, old woman, you have my boyfriend. You will send me your picture. I put it on social media and I ask people, is this boy for anybody? If they say no, then finish. Only that two things you will do for me.
Oh, man.
Yes, and I want your Aduro name. I know you are Aduro boy in France, so I need your information so that I can keep it. The moment you shop my money and run, I will go to France. I will make sure that I finish your Aduro there.
Let me put you through because I have no reason to that. I will not find that Aduro in France, okay? I just been in France doing my little job that can fetch me some money. I don't believe.
Oh, you are not in Aduro in France.
That's the main reason I'm telling you the truth. So that in case of tomorrow, you will not be saying that I like to you.
Okay. Now, for me to confirm more, send me your mother number, send me your information, and send me your full picture. Let me post it on social media, okay? Then I will get back to you because I have a lot of people online. Let me interview the other person. Let me see the one that is more serious. Are you serious?
No problem. I can do that.
Okay, do it now. And let me talk to the next person online. This is how useless, desperate they are. So useless, so desperate, so empty. They have nothing to offer. That's why I don't deal women that they carry. Me. And they talk now. Say now this time, let me they do gay. Maybe I for not toast a man for no, I for never marry. Because don't they cannot toast me. Are you crazy? Are you mad? Are you stupid? Idiots that cannot even know. They don't know when to call the line. They don't even know. They are so desperate. They become fool. If I like just now, tell them, say, I'm HIV, go sit us. I don't care. Because they are so desperate. And they make people they shit for paper for the night. Say, chop my shit first. Let me call the next caller. The next one I'm going to say, before I love you, you have to chop my shit. Oh yeah, whether you not go green. Oh yeah. The next one, another one. Oh yeah. Look at them. Line by line. My name Monica no since I'm a trainer was a yaga Instagram. Carry, cause na quarantine the day na make they call woman and they say me una stay for us. So yeah na. Oh, this one don't sleep after no sleep. No can carry again. See then you waiting your line up. Yes, a block. Na we kwe mo baba ne baba. Imo na hina na wa na gbek mi sanya. Be like say the day my Instagram ya gbata to where you le. Wa mo fun pe nu wa ketie si now I have time. Nonsense children. See another one. Hello.
Yeah, Alpha.
Who is this, please?
Hello.
Good afternoon. Who is this, please?
It's me. It's Livingstone.
Livingstone, how are you?
Master. I'm fine. Are you?
I'm fine. How may I help you?
Yeah.
How may I?
You now. I see.
You see my picture, eh?
Go.
You see my.
How you doing, Italy?
Where do you live?
Yes. I will get your number. So, me.
Where do you?
Tripoli.
You live in Tripoli? Where be Tripoli? Libya. Very good. I shall pay your crossing money. Hello, you live in Libya? You live in Libya? Hello, Livingstone. His network is not good. You see? This one don't just start. Yeah, what I'm on about before I cross you, I'll shit you. It and go say, no problem. You very bad way. All of the door who can inform them now? Eh? Who can carry for go tell the same the no? Come pick now. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Make. You still see this one. From everyone the miss call. Oh, from Italy. Eh? As they not pick me and they block them. Otherwise, and later that they'll come see the miss call here. Yeah, they block them. Oh. Because when they go see the missed call later, I may last can check up. Jesus Christ. That's too much, really. It's so irritating. Italy guys, please respect yourself. Stop being desperate. Desperation is not good. They go no. Me wa be mono na Germany na hina. Jesus Christ, now wa hurting somebody. Pray no more. Sandra, why they say it's okay? Not today. I'm going to go post this video on my reality. Maybe that they hear themselves for there so that they go the park way. They really know. Say I want to show them 9 this afternoon. Very rubbish. See this one, Hi Pretty. Let's listen to Hi Pretty. See Hi Pretty. Eh? I pretty jebe na Roma no mami lai. Ragbe I pretty. They don't run no. They don't say the plan where I get for them don't go. Please, you say some Italy guys. Okay, I'm not saying some. It's irritating, guys. It's irritating. Some guys are too stupid, too low, too desperate, too useless. They don't they call back now. See, oh yeah, more use this one. Take do yeah, me I forgo. Hello.
Hello?
Hello, good afternoon.
Hello?
Yeah?
Hello?
Hello, good afternoon.
Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello? Hello?
Are you hearing me? See this one. Please, I will call you. I'm at work now by 6 p.m. Jim Neo, now they work, but I put you for block because I don't want you to call me. Hello. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, good afternoon. Hello, you know they hear me? She can hear your phone you get.
Hello?
Get out. Don't block her. Disturbing time. Your earphone now you get. Another one. Oh God. Where did they come run now? Where they not they feel? Oh my God.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah. We dey talk to you just now.
What be this?
Na me, oh.
Who you be?
Na me, I dey Italy.
You dey Italy.
Yeah.
What do you want?
I say I need your friendship, oh.
Oh, you need my friendship. Which tribe you be?
I'm from Uromi.
You are from Uromi.
Yeah.
How old are you?
Me, I'm 27 years. 37 years.
37.
Yeah.
You sure say you not go get problem with me? So because me na 55 years.
No, I don't forget problem.
Hope you not need pikin oh, because I don't want pikin.
No, I don't need picking again.
You don't fair born?
Yeah.
How many children you get?
I get to.
You get 2.
Yeah.
Okay. Where you forget them?
How many you get? My children dey Africa, they dey Nigeria.
Okay, me not get children at all. I be mama Idi. I know they born.
Why?
I don't want born. I don't like children. If I see children, you bring them like your children now. You bring it, then come. I feel poison. They not they like children.
It's funny, oh.
Yeah, because now Igbo family I for grow. I not get papa and mama. I grow for Igbo family, so they not like children that time. Me too. I don't like children.
You are from where?
I be my papa na Jamaica, my mama na Benin versus Isha and Urobo. My grandmother na from Urobo. My papa na Ishan, then my mama na Benin.
Okay, upon Aisha.
My papa come from Ishan, my mama na Benin, but my grandmother come from Jamaica. The thing they complicated, but all the same. I don't visit Nigeria several times because of my old boyfriends there. So, more talk our own. Me na 55, you na 27. I be 37.
37.
You don't feel born?
Yes, now, I'll tell you just now. Don't get 2 kids. A boy and girl.
Okay, 2 kids, a boy and girl.
Yeah.
Okay. Where the they?
They're in Nigeria.
How old are they?
One is 30 years, one is 9 years.
Where their mama?
They are mad.
You still they marry her?
Yeah.
You still they marry their mama?
Yeah.
Then what you want to use me do?
You say not the born now. That one don't mean anything now.
No, me I not they do that one. Lie. So you now go come get 2 women for your life where they make you happy. How much you get?
That one not the issue now.
No, na issue. Before man go get for abroad now. Before man go get more than one wife, you know say na rich man. Not be say person where you get paper.
Yes.
Okay, because I not get paper. Oh.
Yeah.
You fit give me.
I don't want to do anything now.
You dey work.
Yes.
What will be your salary?
My salary. Now one two.
1, 2.
Yeah.
That one go reach me to buy makeup. I don't know. Anyway, we'll manage.
Abi.
So we
What do you do for that side?
me I not dey work on na social media. I just dey. I put my picture there for any man where they available. Where you foresee my number so now so everybody they call me you. You fit cope?
Okay, people print when they call you.
Yes now. That's why when you they call me today, no queries me because everybody they call customer. So more talk our own now. Me and see if now you better pass the rest we don't fair cost since. You get paper because now who go give me paper me they look for.
Yes.
35 years I don't spend for abroad, no paper. I they look for who go give me paper.
35 years.
It too much.
Why they don't go give you paper?
You know, see as I tell you just now, when my father fed coin, no shop the Aduro way. It too dey complicated. Say na from Jamaica, mama na Ishan, later papa na the thing dey complicated, my sister, my brother.
Where did you first take chop Aduro before?
I felt that they say I come from Ishan. So when they come, they ask me which part of Ishan. Me, I not can remember which of the Ishan language. So I can't say I be Bini. So all those lie too much. And me myself say I can't lie.
Why come be like that? Why you call the lie now? You not good now. Me woman the lie now.
I don't know. That's why I need somebody way responsible like you. Like everybody where they follow talk since. Now so come. I love you. Come. Only you want. And then they ask me about my life history. Be like say you different. You will give me paper.
I'm over day before first now.
No.
For there now go they plan and they go now. Small.
No, I not trust Nigeria guys. No. Now my money you want shop. Just talk true. You want chop my money. You want give you money. I get money now. Let paper I not get. As for money, I get money where. Yes. I don't go Uromi several times now. That time we had a friend one Uromi guy. Now me build house where there I go Junction. Where they paint with green. Now me build them for the guy.
What you got to the go the room?
What I tell they walk? What it make you call me? Talk true. Shabi, you see me for somewhere I find.
You say they go room me. But not be document they go the room.
No, you know say because I don't take for this country. they can give me this thing. Don't forget, I tell you, say I can lie where just now. So if I just still lie to them, they'll give me something where I tell they follow the guys go home. So how we want do? Me, I want person will go give me paper, but as for money is not the problem.
That will not be issue now.
Send me your name. Send me your money where you fit. Oh, Italy they on lockdown. Where Western Union they open for on our side.
No, everything locked down now.
Your people fit collect money for home for you. Give me name. You na area una they collect money. I be Uromige where they collect money.
They fit collect for me.
Send me name. Me I do money come for you. May you know say I serious. Which day you fit fly? You sure say you get paper because me they lie, but when I follow one Uromige now I know say lie they pass lie. You sure say you get paper where you take fly?
I get paper, that won't be anything.
Because as you take the laugh, I not believe you. It be like say you too, you go lie past me. You see, because lie don't come. If I send you money to your people, finish just now, you go block me. If you get paper, send and come for me. Make me see say you get paper. Then me go send money to your people because I know say since when they do lockdown, you never send money to your people. I go send money to them. That one not be problem. Money is not my problem. It's document that is my problem.
Oh, you get document. That won't be issue.
Okay, send me name. Me and say send money to your mother.
Okay, I will send you.
How much you want me to send to them?
Anything where they or mind you, if you send you, I not ask you money. I not ask you money.
If not like that, no send because tomorrow, Nana. So if I want bring you come out for social media president, and so you come talk say you not ask me money. No need.
No wait, na me.
No need because now so Uromi guys they do. I ask you how much I want send. Tell me. I no get problem. So far you make sure say you must give me paper.
Now you go use your man. Now you go use your man to send money. Not be me go dey tell you say how much you want send. Me I don't know what it in your pocket. You say you want send money. Me I don't fit tell you say how much you want send.
Okay. You get any live video person when me ote do guarantee? Where I go call say I want send money to Ishan boy. If you not come marry me, make
I don't do video video. I want to do video something. My people want to do like that.
So no any live. Make I call social media president may stand guarantee for you.
Me I don't know social media president.
May I call that woman will be Ishan woman for live video.
For where it is?
In the UK, in Ishan woman.
You say the UK, say Ishan woman, the social media. You know. Na Bini ma be na Ishan ma.
Na Bini na Ishan woman. At the muffin, I be social media president.
You say na the muffin, I be social media president.
The woman where the UK.
Say the woman in UK. You know that one? You say don't know that one.
No, give phone to that your friend. I not too like you. I don't know my spirit not to catch you. Give phone to your friend.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Oh, I like your voice better than your friend. Oh my God. I hope you know the best.
Really?
Oh.
No.
Because you know why I like you?
No.
Because you know social media people. I don't like guys who don't know social media people. You see? You say
No say there's people like that.
No, I don't
So
like.
they don't-
I don't like him. Not letting hear waiting with the talk. So you know waiting.
Okay.
Try to take my number. Call me later. No let her know so that me go cut them off. You call me later. I like you more. Okay?
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Add the lockdown for there.
We don't say we are managing, so we don't have options, so we have to obey the law.
But is there any place you guys can take money like RIA, like Western Union?
Yeah, there is a Ria and Western Union, yeah.
Not let your friend know. Later, send me your information. May I send you something? Okay? Okay, give her. Give her.
Thank you. Okay, charge it. Hello?
Hello?
Alpha.
I did. Okay now. I don't talk to your guy. Don't tell and say I'll send her something. Try give her my number because I say may you help me do something, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Voila.
Okay, take care.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Later, ciao.
Yeah. Mommy Monica. Me say na Yahweh comedy. Mommy Monica don't put kerosene for two of them. Wait, another one was calling. Oh God, I want to go bath. They make my makeup me fien today. Today's story not be small cheleche. But don't come the air too much. Just be calling it. Don't come. Oh, thank you, my love. Thank you. Hey, Jamie. Hey, ukpo ni ari no be Monica ye social media. E ma no ri e yoku wa no tie. Imi aja wa ya mi evi. Me vokan no vokan. Enye hin. Hello. Oh, never me network agbon. This one for be the last one, then I'll go sleep. See this one. This one say low godly love. Eh? Oh, go me yo na gbogia kede. YouTube, I won't come late, 6 o'clock. I will try. Don't already cook for my children. Now makeup just remain. I have 3 hours. Need to go and bathe. Makeup. Amber is already rolling my hair. Oh, this one no go. Damn it. Any that one pan ye line. Eh? That on my way no go call it ban. This one. You need one person where I want put for line mode. They go. Yeah, children. This one no pick. Yeah, mommy. Eh? Yeah, man, so me. Yeah, mommy. Yeah. If I don't come for that, the thing go the rig again. Eh? I supposed to put more. The leg being bang with them. Oh no. See there. Me I call this one. Oh, I don't already block her. They can be irritating. Super irritant. Oh, my makeup yesterday was beautiful. I wanted to make a little bit hot today. Hello. Good afternoon. Hello.
I'm hearing you.
You called me. Hello. Onegbe. Network again, get it. Another person. Push. Hello. 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 Oh, I've been on my phone. Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello, you hear me?
Yeah, they hear you. Good afternoon.
Afternoon. I see your number for Facebook. Call and add you for WhatsApp.
Why network not there where you dey? Try buy credit now. Why network not there where you dey? Try buy credit.
Where to buy the card? Not
Because your network dey break. I know dey like guy wey bit say their network go dey break.
where to buy card? Not there. You know the way.
So what do you want from me? Oh God, network not there. I want go. You ain't take conversation with that network. It's so irritant. This one face strong. All of their face strong. Me okpa no gaya zokpa winya ya. Winya ya ye koko. Iye ga gwale mi no say ya.
Hello?
Hello, why your phone dey break?
Hello?
Why your phone dey break?
Hello?
Hello, why your phone dey break? Monica, be careful. Paris Central data, like seriously. All this one will be Central now. You know say they be learner. They'll catch somebody like Monica. Even old papi people, no catch Monica. Now children. What you determine now? What's it bonire? Onare, no man have you, we start looking outside. Oh yeah. Alele peske. Who they lead? Na Ishan boys na plenty pass. Ishan boys and Igbo. Bini dey the back. Igbo na dey front. Ishan dey center. Bini dey the back. The truth of the matter. Say who call pass a day na Igbo me, but from Italy in a country. Na Italy win all. Italy. Ah, Jesus. I don't know why they not the pick. I've been on my phone. Maybe on my phone not the ring reach there. Because it's so irritant. One of a kind. Igbo, Ishan, then come on from Italy to Paris. Okay. Igbo, Ishan, and Bini. Then be the Bini people where I know say Jesus they are lie not be here. Those one if I just tell them say so as you just see that kind of picture, you really come forward, come toast that kind of woman. Quick. Bini boy say na preach I be one preach. He say I be one preach to you my sister. Hey, bani na mo we abi ho na ni roe na ozeba na una get. Liars, desperado me. I dey look for anyone with they desperate where I will say if I shit whether I go shop and I make me be the try to call them. Me and see anyone with desperate where I will say if who no shop my shit I know the lover. Me and see whether they go accept. I must catch one today. Hello. Oh. Me I go bath, guys. No need again. Their network really bad. Otherwise, we for our more phone. Rubbish and nonsense. I like the picture of the house so much. Okay, the price is too much for this. Now area, Mama, for us, this one a 4-room bungalow with a separate gate man house and 100 by 150 space of land. and see the area where e dey. You know, if you use house where dey inside GRA, go dey use and compare house where dey upper or Aduwawa. It's not possible. See that guy. Mona see that guy just now where I tell say may he take his friend for me, take call me. He don't call me, oh. Hey, oh yeah, more quickly before this phone go finish.
Hello.
Hello.
I don't collect your number now.
Oh, okay, now you just now.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh.
Nice love with you.
Fine. Oh, you really look smart. Oh, I like the yellow.
Thank you.
I like men with basketball. Do you play basketball?
No.
Oh, but
Before I normally play football, but don't play. Before I play football.
oh, and now you don't play football anymore.
No, due to the other year, so we don't have that time.
Oh, and you
Just time to time.
oh, which part of Italy you did?
I did Torino.
Torino. Oh, I don't like guy with the Torino. No. One guy with the Torino don't first chop my 30,000 euro. No.
Wait. It's a different. We are different people.
No. I don't like Torino guy. They're too wise. They be like dog. No. No. My 30,000 euro. And I ain't go for Torino guy. He play me, carry me go Ishan land. He go use me do juju. I give him money finish. I not see him again.
Listen. I'm not that type of person that say I will depend for your money. If we have to be a friend, we'll be friends. Not because what you have, so I'm not that type of man.
No,
What you have is what you have. What
No,
I
no.
have is what I have.
No, me I know they do that kind of friending. No, I pass that. No, my guy. No, bro. For me, this time, if I dey follow guy, I need to brush him up. You understand? So no way where you talk say you don't want, the shop woman money. I don't want there. I don't want. I like.
There's a different way. If you use your own mind, so you buy something, give me. I know say yes, you buy something, give me. But don't be say I will carry my responsibility. Say yeah, I'm a man that's supposed to be cherish you. Not be from expecting from you. You are the woman that you'll be expecting from me.
Okay, what do you
So
do?
in my culture, we don't depend in woman.
Which culture is that? Which part of Nigeria you come from?
I'm from Kano State.
Kano. Oh, I love Hausa guy. Oh, Nakwana.
In Agadia.
Oh no, you be my brother. Oh, nice. You know, one time I fell follow Hausa guy where they no man's land.
Yeah, for Kano.
For Kano. Wow, nice. Hausa guy, they know they shop person money. Now I understand where you are coming from. But nevertheless, we'll still do business. I like to do business, go Nigeria.
Okay, no problem. Now when you ready with that?
I ready. But I dey fear I don't want for one anymore. Because anybody will get Nigeria blood can play for person 419.
No, not anybody that have Nigeria blood.
Okay.
Even in the Edo State, they are sincere people.
Okay, so how you can say? How you?
We jam the wrong people.
Okay, so how you can say me? How you say me can't say no now? Another one.
Okay, I'll turn because I can never prove myself to you. You understand me? So as time goes on, you will know by yourself.
Okay.
I'll show you speaker than.
Okay, how old are you?
I'm 41.
You are 41. You even try because me now 55. So you even try.
Okay. But age is a number, sha.
Yes, yeah. But no baby, oh. We don't want baby, or you want baby.
No, I don't want baby.
And in love making, now I like all those type of shit, you know. When you shit, I shit with me. I don't feel do this. I laugh.
You know, we learn every day.
Because many Nigeria guys, the moment you just tell Nigeria guys, say, let's use shit to make love, they'll just wrong. I know they like that. They are not too mature, you know.
Yeah.
You understand?
So I understand you.
You don't feel try am before.
You know, there's a different narcotics thing, so men need have already been done before.
And I don't want make come out for social media, because I watched one lady that day, Monica. You know Monica?
No Monica.
Okay, somebody.
Holland.
Yes. You know the Monica where they talk so?
Yeah, no Monica, yeah, that social media woman there.
Okay. For a show, somebody.
She with the Lolo and the rest having problems, yeah.
Okay.
Lolo and the rest.
Okay. So, I can't see for Monica show, one man, he lick woman ear, spit put, he lick his finger, they even lick shit together. The man can't go talk and comment.
Yes.
Me, I not like men where they talk and comment. If you chop my...
No, all those things, all those are not being matured. They are not matured.
If you chop my...
So...
Not be say...
Mature game.
If you chop my shit, you can't go talk and come and not like that kind of thing.
No, that's not the mature game.
So for D, no saying it out, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, send me your number. I will send you money. You will fit travel at this time. You get paper.
Get paper, but this time around no travel now.
Even if I buy ticket, you no fit still travel. Or me, I send you the money. May you take look for ticket buy.
No travel now. Man, I'll tell you the truth. I can't deceive you.
Oh, you are so honest. Oh, you are so honest. Oh, you are so honest. Oh, if you can't, I must dash you 1,000 euro for your honesty. You know, that is so honest.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, that's very. You they do container business?
No, I just have a friends that are doing the business.
But if maybe I say we do business together, carry container go out, you not go fit.
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to do that's the type of business we are going to do together. Okay, I'm going to give you money to do container business.
The thing is moving to Torino, yeah.
Oh yes, okay, good. I know Torino guys are very smart. Okay.
A lot of, even sometimes we normally load this the big Senegal bags to Nigeria.
Okay. Like how much?
No, I don't really know, but I will ask a friends.
Okay.
So
Okay.
they will link me up, so I'll need the details of everything first.
Okay. Okay, good. Just send me your information. Let me send you some money, okay?
Okay.
Okay, take care, eh? I want to take the children to sport, okay?
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, bye. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Is it Monica?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, this is Monica. Hello.
Hello. I dey look your live video here, Mommy Monica.
Now you call me. What do you want?
I don't want anything because why me call you now? I dey here the first because you be our your house. Now my brother you dey marry.
Wetin that one call me for this one so? Oh, the video one finish.
This expensive joke when you dey joke with this boy, so I not like her. You be our wife. I not like the expensive joke now.
No, this joke it not mean anything. Not being they common.
When my brother, may I first ask of my brother first.
It dey fine.